Good morning. Well, we've seen US stocks slip, led by a slump in energy shares, after major indices notched a string of records in recent sessions. The Australian share market is expected to open in positive territory despite this mixed lead from Wall Street. Futures are suggesting a 0.38% rise for the benchmark S&P ASX 200. Oil prices fell overnight after a much larger than expected build in US crude inventories, as well as reports that the signing of a US-China trade deal could be delayed until December. National Australia Bank has delivered a sharp drop in full-year profit to almost $5.1 billion as customer compensation charges and lower fee income hit earnings. NAB's cash earnings decreased 10.6% and they declared a final dividend of 83 cents per share, fully franked, bringing this year's total payments to 16% lower than the bank's 2018 year. Moving on, German car maker BMW said it was on track to hit its performance targets of 2019, despite difficult conditions, after the third quarter brought rising sales and profits. BMW's bottom line swelled 11.5% to over US $1.6 billion, lifted by the comparison to its 2018 weak third quarter, which was weighed down by new emissions tests. Uber shares hit a new low as the lock-up period following the company's May initial public offering expired. Lock-ups prevent early shareholders and executives from selling shares in the first months following an IPO, so allowing those investors to sell their stock could mean additional losses. The stock has already been down more than 10% this week after Uber's third quarter earnings report failed to reassure investors. And finally, James Hardie has posted an 18% rise in half-year net profit to US $189.6 million. The company also saw its sales rise 2%. The company will pay a dividend of US 10 cents per share. Have a great day.